Students, please ask your friends to join the session. Let me start the session. But now, students, in the today's session, let me discuss about ARO functions. Which functions are ARO functions? Now, now see this one. Coming to the first point, ARO functions are released in ES6 version. And another point, ARO functions are released in ES6 version. Point number 2, how to represent ARO functions. We will represent ARO functions with the help of ARO symbol. With the help of which symbol? ARO symbol. Fine. Next one, and another thing. ARO functions simplifies business logic. I think we can write the short code. We are able to write the short code. Fine. Very, very important. Fine. So how to create one arrow function? Say this one. Let uh, test function, let test function equal to arrow function. Team, is it a arrow function? Answer. Now this is the arrow function. Whatever the function we have, this function we can call arrow function. This arrow function binded to one variable. Whatever the arrow function we have, that arrow function binded to one variable, then that variable we can call test function. Now here try to say this one. Document dot write off. Document dot write off. Try to say this one. Document dot write off. Here I need to place the what you wanted to place. Welcome to what? Welcome to arrow functions. And call test function. Whatever the test function we have, that test function I need to call it. Call the test function. How to call the test function? Test function. No, run the code. T, are we able to see the output? Yes, this is the output we are able to see. Now we are able to see the output, then that output we can call welcome to arrow functions. Fine, next one. Students see the another thing and one more thing. Try to observe this one. Let me take which one? Script tag. Here we need to take one tag, then that tag we can call script tag. Simply we need to take script tag. Now here let test function. Let test function equal to arrow function. Fine. Now arrow function wanted to return, not to displaying. Arrow function wanted to return. How to return? Return what it wanted to return. It wanted to return, say this one. Welcome to what? Welcome to CareerIT. Simply it wanted to return what? Return welcome to CareerIT. Now here and another thing. Call this one. I wanted to call arrow function. How to call arrow function? Test function. Test function. Simply we need to call the arrow function. Whenever we call arrow function, it will return result. One. Whatever the welcome to CareerIT we have, that welcome to CareerIT store to where result. welcome to CareerIT, whatever the message we have, that message store to where result itself and print the result. How to print the result? Documented or write off. Documented write off what? Result. Yes. Students, we got the output or not? Say yes or no. Whoever watching on the YouTube, then give the confirmation to me. Please give the confirmation to us. Whoever watching in the YouTube, please give the confirmation. Now say this one. Because of return keyword, welcome to CareerIT store to result variable. Am I right or not? Fine. Next one. And another thing. Students, try to see the another thing. And one more thing is the now let me go to the script tag. I wanted to go to the script tag. Simply, we need to take the script tag. Fine. How to create test function? Let test function equal to let a test function equal to arrow function. Simply, we need to create arrow function. Fine. Here, I wanted to take one parameter one. Let me take the parameter one. Simply, here we should be in a position we need to take the parameter one. Now, print it. How to print it? Documented or write off. Documented write off here. Documented write off here. What we need to do? Place welcome to how to refer parameter one. I want to refer parameter one. Students, so how to refer parameter one? Dollar curly bracket parameter one. Dollar curly bracket parameter one. Automatically we are able to refer parameter one. Yes or not? Now call the test function. Students, how to call the test function? How to call the test function? Simply we need to call the test function. Here test function. Test function, and here we need to pass. And here we need to pass what you want to pass JavaScript. But here students see this one. Whatever the JavaScript we have, this JavaScript map to where? Map to where? Map to parameter one. Whatever the JavaScript we have, that JavaScript map to what? Parameter one. So what is the final message? Welcome to JavaScript. Parameter one internally contain JavaScript. So finally the answer is the welcome to JavaScript. Got it or not? Team. Yes. And another thing. And another thing is the now let me go through the another example. We need to go through the one more example. Let me have a look into the one more example. Now let me take the script tag. Simply, I want to take one tag, then that tag we can call the script tag. Fine. Students, how to create the function? Let test function equal to arrow function. Arrow function. Let me take the parameter one. Now return it. How to return? Return. Return. Here what you wanted to place? Return. Here what you wanted to place? Welcome to dollar curly bracket. Dollar curly bracket. We need to place the parameter one. Fine. We need to call test function. Whatever the test function we have, that test function we need to call. Call the test function. Now test function here. What you wanted to pass? We need to pass the JavaScript. Simply we need to pass the JavaScript. So whatever the JavaScript we have, that JavaScript store to where? That JavaScript store to where? Parameter one. Now, what is the final message? What is the final message? The final message is the welcome to JavaScript. That welcome to JavaScript. That welcome to JavaScript store to where? Result itself. Whatever the welcome to JavaScript we have, that welcome to JavaScript store to where result itself. Because of which keyword? Return keyword. And let me print the result. How to print the result? I wanted to print the result. How to print the result? Documented at write off. Which one we need to print the result? Now, students, automatically we are able to see the result or not. Which result we are able to see? The result is the welcome to JavaScript. Got it now? Students got it now. Just to reply. You people need to reply. Are you able to see the result? Yes. Tell me here, how many types of functions we have? How many types of functions we have? No parameter, no return type. No parameter, no return type. Next one, say this one. No parameter with return type. No parameter with return type. So this is the second one. Third one. With parameter, no return type. With parameter, no return type. So this is the third one. And fourth one. What is the fourth one? What is the fourth one? With parameter and with return type. With parameter and with return type. Got it or not? Fine. Students are try to see it again here. You people need to see it again. How many categories we have? Four categories. So students, what is the first category? No parameter, no return type. So that is the category one. Fine. Students, what is the second category? No parameter with the return type. No parameter and with the return type. So this is the category two. So whatever we have, this one we can call the category two. Fine. Students, see the third category. With the parameter, no return type. With the parameter, no return type. So this is the category three. And coming to the category four. What is the category four? With the parameter, with the return type. Got it or not? Yesterday already we discussed. Yesterday already we discussed types of the functions. Fine. Now let me do the one simple example. So based on that one, then you people can get the clarity. Now let me take the script tag. I wanted to take the script tag. Simply, we should be in a position. We need to take the script tag. Now here, let db function. Let db function equal to arrow function. Team, is it a arrow function? Students tell me, is it a arrow function? Yes. Whatever the function we have, then this function we can call the arrow function. Now, take two variables here. How to take the two variables? Let username equal to, let username equal to, let username equal to, here I wanted to place, let username equal to, I wanted to place career ID. Next one, let password equal to, let password equal to, let password equal to, here I wanted to place, here I wanted to place, what you wanted to place, career ID at the rate 123. Let username equal to career ID and let password equal to what? Let password equal to career ID at the rate 123. Now here we need to take the condition. Which condition we need to take? Username equal to username equal to career ID and password. And password equal to and password equal to career ID at the rate 123. So if this condition is satisfied, if this condition is satisfied, now say this one, documented or write off. Documented write off. Here we need to place documented write off. Here what we need to place here, login success. Login success. Next one. Here what you want to place, documented or write off. Documented write off. Here we need to place. Here we need to place what we need to place, login fail. Documented write off login success and documented write off login fail. Now we need to call db function. Students, simply let me call the db function simply. Yes. What is the answer we are able to say? Login success. Fine. Students, tell me, do we have any parameters? Do we have any parameters? Answer say yes or no. Whoever watching in the YouTube, then give the confirmation to me. I'm requesting you people need to give the confirmation. Please give the confirmation to us. Students, please give the confirmation to us. Do we have any parameters? No parameter. Do we have any return type? No return type. Now, is it a conditional rendering? Not conditional template like a ternary operator. This one we can call ternary operator. Username equal to career ID. Correct or not? Correct. And password equal to career ID at the rate 123. If this condition is satisfied, which message you wanted to display? Login success. Else, which message you wanted to display? Login fail. Simply, we need to display login fail. Got it or not? Fine. Now, see this fun here. And another thing, comment this code. Whatever the code we have, this code I need you to comment it. Comment the code. After commenting the code, now let me take which tag. Students, let me take which tag. We need to take the script tag. Whatever the script tag we have, we need to take that script tag. Fine. How to create db function? Let db function equal to, let db function equal to arrow function. Now let me take the two variables. Whatever the two variables we have, the two variables we need to take it. Fine. And another thing, just to take the ternary operator again, just to take this one, whatever we have, okay, this one we need to take it. Then don't to print it. I'm requesting you, you people not allowed to print it. Don't to print it. Now catch that result. How to catch the result? Let result. Now See this one, return this result. Whatever the result we have, that result we need to return. How to return the result? Return result. Simply, we need to return the result. Fine. Now, students see this one. Now, we need to call db function. Whatever the db function we have, this is db function we need to call it. Call the db function. db function, simply we need to call the db function, and we need to catch the result. Let me catch the result and print the result. Whatever the result we have, this result I need to print it. How to print the result? Document at right of which one we need to print the result. Now, students say this one. Are we able to see the login success? Yes. Fine. Students, do we have any parameters? Answer. Do we have any parameters? Reply. No parameter. Do we have any return type? Do we have any return type? Yes, we have the return type. So no parameter and with the return type. No parameter and return type. Got it or not? Fine. Now see this one. In the previous example, can you tell the previous example? In the previous example, no parameter, no return type. But in this example, no parameter with the return type. No parameter and with the return type we need to follow. Yes or not? Fine. Now, students, let me do the one more example. I want to do the another example. Let me take the script tag simply, and here we need to take script tag. Whatever the script tag we have, we need to take that script tag. Simply allow me to take the script tag. Fine. After taking the script tag, after taking the script tag, after taking the script tag, so how to create a db function? Let db function. Let the db function equal to which one? Arrow function. Simply, we should be in a position. We need to take the arrow function. Let me allow me to take the arrow function here. And another thing. And another thing. And another thing. Let me go to the another thing here. Yeah, let me go to the another thing and one more thing. Here, let me take the two parameters. What is the first parameter? Username. What is the second parameter? Password. The first parameter is the username. The second parameter is the, what is the second parameter? The second parameter is the password. Now, here, see this one. And let me do this one. Here, comparator. We need to compare it. Now, call the db function. I want to call the db function. db function, let me pass scat and let me pass tiger. Then students say this one, scat store to answer. Scat store to where? Scat store to username. And another thing, what is the another thing? Tiger store to where? Tiger store to password. Scat store to username. Tiger store to password. Now check it. We need to check it. Here, username equal to scat and password equal to which one? Tiger. Username equal to scat and password equal to tiger. Equal to tiger. Next one. Which one we need to place? Document dot write off. Documented write-off, and here what you wanted to place. Documented write-off, here which one we need to place. Here we need to place what you wanted to place. Login success. Fine. Else what we need to place. Documented or write-off. Documented write-off, which one we need to place. Documented write-off, which one we need to place. Simply we need to place login file. Now login success. Students see the internal flow. Whatever the scat we have, that scat stored to where? Username. Students, whatever the tiger we have, that tiger stored to where? Password. Scat stored to username, and tiger, whatever the tiger we have, that tiger stored to password. So for example, username equal to scat, password equal to tiger. So which message you wanted to display? Login success. Else, which message you wanted to display? Login fail. Simply, we need to display the message. The message is the login failed. Fine. Now, students, let me do the last example. I want to do the last example. Here, I wanted to do the last example. So, how to handle the last example? Let me take which tag? Script tag. Here, I need to take one tag, then that tag we can call the script tag. Fine. How to create DB function? Let DB function equal to arrow function. Simply, we need to create arrow function. For the arrow function, take the two parameters. Username, next one is what? Password. Not only username comma password, we can pass the A comma B also. We can pass the X comma Y also. Any variable, any name we can take, not an issue. Fine. Now call the DB function. We need to call the DB function. DB function, and here I need to pass what we need to pass career ID, comma. Here which one we need to pass career ID at the rate 123. Simply we need to pass what we need to pass career ID at the rate 123. We need to pass it. Fine. Now students say the another thing. Fine. Whatever the career ID we have, that career ID store to where username. Whatever the career ID at the rate 123, whatever the career ID at the rate 123 we have, that career ID at the rate 123, yeah, whatever the career ID at the rate 123 we have, that career ID at the rate 123 store to password. Fun. Now students say this one. For example, return. We need to return it. What we need to return? Username equal to career ID and password. And say this one, password equal to and password equal to here I need to place career ID at the rate 123. So if it is okay, what we need to do return? We need to do return login success. Login success, else what we need to do place it? What we need to do place? We need to do place the login file. Login success or login file. Say this one. So either login success or login file. Store it to one variable. Store it to one variable. What is that variable? That variable we can call result variable. And a print result variable. Whatever the result variable we have, that result variable we need to print it. Document it right off result. Yes. Login file. Now why login file? Career rate at the rate 123. Check that one why it's failed. No, login success. Got it or not? Fine. Students, I'm asking the questions to you, then you people need to get the reply. How many categories we have? Functions. How many categories of functions we have? Four categories we have. Can you please short with me? Yeah. What are the four types? Can you please short in the comment box? What are the four categories? Answer. What are the four categories? Short with me. You people need to do chart. All the four categories you people need to do chart. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone, please start with me. Sahiti, without parameter, without return type. Next, clearly, Shivatmika, clearly, parameters without parameters, return without return. Not clearly, na? I think you sent the four type, but not clear. All the people, I'm requesting all the people, please do the chart with me. Hmm. Okay, fine. Not an issue. So this is the way to discuss about arrow functions. Fine. Now, students, I think these topics are the simple topics. Can you please practice this code? Please practice this code. Fine. Students, I need to share some information to you. Fine. If any one of your friend or yourself, final year students, especially final year students, we are going to start new batch on 29th. Wait, here I will show the date also. 29th. 29th in the sense what? Thursday, na? 29th in the sense of Thursday. Thursday, we are planning to start, not planning, already confirmed. We are starting new batches, new offline batches, not online batches. Fine. These batches on uh, Java full stack, Marina stack, Python full stack, data science. Four batches were starting. Fine. If anyone interested, like a final year student or completed student, please share this information to your friends itself. And one more thing. And here we have the placement assistance also. Say this one, for example, in this week, not this week, still the students are coming slowly. Next week, one company going to come to CareerIT. The company name is the Phoenix Core. And February first week, and one more company reaching the CareerIT to hire the people. Like the company name is the Mark Wave company. So we have the placement assistance also. Once if you people do hard work along with me, hard work in the sense of don't think like a 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, not like that. Just if you people put to focus at least to 3 to 4 months along with us, 100% you will place into any one of the company, no doubt at all. So in this month and next month, 100% we will place 20 to 25 student into multiple companies. One is the Phoenix Core company, and another thing is the Mark Wave company, and one more company. March month we have the one more company. The company name is the Hiking IT. So remember that one. So please share this information to your friends also. Okay, now 29th onwards, we are starting the four batches. Data science batch also there, Python batch also there. Next one is the Java full stack, Mariner stack. All the four batches were starting parallelly. If anyone interested to come to the offline session, please come to the offline and you people need to attend the session. Got it now? Fine. Now, team, please put the focus on the Python also. 7 o'clock, you people need to join the Python class. And tomorrow, I need you to go for the validations. Like a form validation is very, very important in the interview point of view, very, very important. And thank you, students. Bye.